Peace be upon you. Today I will show how to first go to the Play Store to open an account. After going to Play Store, search for Pi Network. Then open the Pi application. Then here click on Continue with phone number. Click. Then from here select the country and enter the phone number. Enter it and click on Submit. A confirmation will be sent after clicking Submit. Then from here select a strong password. Once a strong password is selected, we will click on the Submit button from here. Then you will put your name here according to your NID card. Then we will click the Submit button from here. Next we will click on Next from here. From here we will click on Bus here. Then we will give our invitation here and doing so. We will get a Pi bonus. We will click from here and click on the Submit button. Our account has now been opened. We now tap to click on Mine. Our Pi account has been created.